Thinking about buying Georgia luxury real estate and wondering what high-end homes in Georgia really look like? In this video, we're touring Georgia luxury real estate, showcasing beautiful homes and the neighborhoods buyers love across Atlanta and Augusta. If you're relocating or buying a luxury home in Georgia, we'll also discuss the market trends and loan programs some buyers use when purchasing high-value properties. Call Bob Hale Realty today for more details.
Let's tour this luxury home brought to you by Bob Hale Realty.
Welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. I'm Noah, here with Steve and Robert Hale and our team at Bob Hale Realty. As we tour this home today, I want to share some great news for those of you interested in owning your own home in the near future, especially if you think a low credit score is holding you back from home ownership in Atlanta, Georgia, and the surrounding areas. You might think you need perfect credit or a big down payment to buy a home, but that's a common myth. The truth is, many lenders now use your VantageScore, the same one you see on Credit Karma, to help you qualify. And these scores are often higher than the old credit models. A score of 580 or higher can be all you need to get started. For our veterans, a 500 score can often get you approved for a VA loan, frequently with zero down. And if your score is 600 or higher, we have down payment assistance programs available that could mean you need no money down at all. So, don't let your credit score stop you. Call Bob Hale Realty today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663. You can also visit us at bobhale.com
Notice the
to
imported
check out the
marble and
latest
custom
listings.
double vanity.
Whether you're looking to
absolutely
buy, rent,
And the
or
lighting's
explore
perfectly
rental.
complements the stone.
It feels so expansive. I love it. Thanks for tuning in to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel and Bob Hale Realty.